Ooh, let's see. Okay, cool. Cool. So I'm back. Not hearing the audio. Let's see here. That's weird. Audio's not working. Microphone's working. Okay. But the sound output isn't. Alexa, turn on Holden speakers.
Okay.
This is perhaps why the output device is set to dummy output. So, well, whatever. We don't super need audio, although, one second. Okay, still no audio output. That's weird. Let's give ourselves a minute or two to investigate that. Audio? Okay. 6.5 kernel upgrade audio goes away. Well, let's see here. LFTTI, rep-i, audio. Cool. Audio. It's not gonna. I don't think it's the NVIDIA one. I think it's gonna be this one. Doesn't. Let's go over here. Okay. PACTL list cards. Pulse. Apt-get install Pulse audio? What happened? Oh, probably because, well, I don't know for sure, actually. Let's go over here. No cards. Okay. Interesting. Hmm. Deet, deet, deet. Uh, 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 6.5 kernel. Um, hmm. 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 Let's take a quick look. Um, hmm. Uh, dude. This shows the card. What driver does uh HD audio? Okay, LSPCI V. Okay, so uh yeah, kernel module. Uh yeah. Um hmm. What what's this? Hmm. That's weird. Hmm. Hmm. Um hmm. Uh, hmm. I don't think that's gonna do it. Yeah. No. No modules? Uh, okay, what about mod probe? Uh, huh. Okay. Deet. Why is this? Huh. What the hell? Um, uh, um, hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Um, yep, we don't have that. I don't see it. I, um, good modules. HDA. So, um, wait, what? Mod probe. Um, hmm. Huh. Is it in like a... Yeah, I don't care what's getting updated. Bunch of random things, most of which I don't care. Hmm. Huh. Where is my SNDA intel coming from? Slash, why do I not have it? This is very confusing. Ugh. Yeah. Huh. Hmm. Um. Yeah, you're not. Okay. Ubuntu needs it. Not quite. Um. Hmm. Doot. Is this project? Okay. You? Hmm. This is weird. This is really weird. Um, search modules. Um, Intel. Hmm. I guess it, module dash extra. Do I have this installed? Um. Okay. Uh. Hmm. That's weird. Ah, there we go. This is why everything's exposed. Okay. MV. Uh. Old boot. DPK. A. And then probably reboot, and we'll have audio. Sorry for the like random detour into my computer being unexpectedly broken. I don't reboot it very often, and I rebooted it the other day, and I didn't think to check that my audio drivers were still there. Hmm. Will that fix it? Don't know. It might. Let's try it. The reboot shouldn't take too long. Sorry for the detour again, folks. Yeah. Uh, okay. Um, cool. It'd be nice to have audio. Let's see here. Let's hang out. Hmm. For our reboot. Do do Wi-Fi drivers are having fun. Don't really care about that. That's totally fine. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. And let's see if we've got audio. I hope we've got audio. If not, this will be huzzah! Okay, we've got audio. It's a stereo. I think we've got, I'm gonna say 4.1. Oh, yeah. So that's good. Dude. Okay, let's test it. Comme ci, comme ça. Although I guess. It's I think it's maybe it's I think it's 4.1 is what should be wired up. I'm gonna poke at a thing really quickly. Ugh. Dude. Mhm. Do. Okay. Ugh. Yeah. Okay. I think my subwoofer also incidentally broke. Which that's fine. That's less important. Okay, we can get our royalty-free music going on in the background. Which I don't know how much of that comes through. It certainly helps me, because Cool. Okay. Techno Act, royalty-free. There we go. There we go. Great. Okay. Fantastic. And now, oh, hi Shiva. Sorry for the slow start today, folks. 18 minutes of debugging my audio is not what I intended to do, but hey, that's life. Any website I can easily find for free. I mean, like, you want to run these things for free, or you want to learn about them for free? And by HPE, do you mean Hewlett Packard Enterprise? Or because I don't really know anything about Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Oh, I mean, I think there's some free Databricks stuff. I don't know how good it is. Oh, HP had free trainings. I mean, that makes sense. I would take a look at the Databricks stuff. I think they probably have some free trainings. I just don't know. That would be where I would look. If that doesn't work, let me know, and I can ask Denny when I see him next month. Um, yeah, yeah. Okay, so for AWS, I don't know. I mean, it would be Databricks um, training for free. So they've got some free stuff here, right? And that would be what I would look at. I don't know how good this is, but like that would be what I would take a look for. Okay. GitHub. So let's go take a look at my PR and see where I left off. For Python, I don't know if it's free, but the Anaconda folks have some amazing stuff. So that's a possibility. This is, oh God, I can't. The pass compile and then passing the tests afterwards is just, that's not how I'm used to working as separate PRs. But you know, whatever. That's fine. So let's get the existing unit test passing. Let's figure out what failed. Okay, it's too old. It's got conflicts we need to resolve. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go repos, gluten, git remote, git fetch upstream, git rebase upstream main. Do I want to rebase it? Maybe not. Where are the conflicts? Ostensibly, our only conflicts are in Spark shims and Spark 3 shims. So if that's the case, it's not terrible. So we'll start with the rebase. Okay. So import changes. Okay, so Spark SQL execution. Okay, so I think we can get rid of that, move that up here, and then the file source scan exec. I think this should match. And then we're going to go to the different instructions.scala. And similarly, file source scan exec, Spark Planner both present in that one. So there we go. Okay. Up next is going to be Spark 3 shims. And over here, we've got a new thing that we're going to probably bring over to Spark 3.5 shims. And we're going to do this with xxdiff because I'm lazy. Or again, okay. Base dash continue, cool. And then xxdiff Spark 25 Spark 3.5. Yeah, I've been kind of burned out. So I'm working on getting back to some more of these. But it's gonna be a minute. Okay. So cool. These look new. So we're gonna have to copy them over. So let's go ahead. Spark C5, shims.scala. Okay, and then get limits. Okay, valid bucket file. Alright, there we go. Delete. And then create task context. Are the other two words different, right? That we want to bring over. Okay, and then create split files. Cool. Okay. Bring over get limit and create task context from the 3.4 to 3.5. Okay, cool. I don't remember. The build here is annoying, from what I recall. Maven, is this? Yeah, okay, cool. Ah, cool, doesn't build. So that's great. Oh. We finished our rebase, right? Get rebase dash continue. No rebase in progress. Okay, let's try building Spark 3.4. Okay, cool. That looks like it works. So something's probably changed in our XML files, which I don't love. Maven, as far as like, it's really verbose, but let's see here. And I want to go up above me. Okay, so the substrate Spark module went away. That's interesting. Shouldn't break anything, mind you. So okay. Cool. Build failure. Oh, cool. Maven spotless apply. Cool. Let's go. Shims. Okay, let's go git log -p shims.xml. What changed here? Not. Oh, there we go. Version bump to 1.2 dash snapshot. Okay. So something tells me that we've got something that's like 1.1.0 dash snapshot. Yeah, cool. So that would be why we've got like an old version tag that we need to update. Cool. We'll go do this. It's going to fail. Okay, well, here, let's make a commit here. Spotless update to 4, and this is going to be update 3.5 version to match, update 3.5 version to match, and then what else are we going to do? Okay, and then let's do a clean package, Spark 3.4. Mm-hmm. Take a hot minute, of course. I wonder what the weather's like for the next hours. Let's see. Okay, cool. It's not raining again until 8 after 5 in theory. Dude. Let's dude. Cool. Go back to hey, I'm suspicious of the storm alert being over, but that's okay, cool. So 3.4 builds. We have 3.5 builds. That would be great if 3.5 actually builds too. Yeah, no. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So fudge. Me. Sorry. God damn it. Fucking in and out, friend. In and out. Okay, so global limit exec ostensibly comes from Spark SQL? That's weird. Oh, yeah. I mean, I use LinkedIn for looking for jobs, talking to people at conferences. Um, that obviously only works when you're going to conferences with the same with the people at places where you're interested in. Um, and then you have to talk to them, which is fine, but Okay, cool. So this is interesting. And by interesting, I mean, So this went away probably in Spark 3.5, or it's just not imported. It's probably just not imported in Spark 3.5. That's a ticket. Let's go over Spark 3.5 shims. That's probably what I forgot to do. Spark 3.4 shims. Global. Okay, fantastic. Yep. And then we go ahead and we get rid of those two. So like, yeah, I mean, LinkedIn is how I find a lot of jobs. That's where I would start. I'd say, interesting. Gluten file format writer is not a part of this. Here we go. Shims. Great. Cool. Cool. Okay, moderate progress. File commit rule. Okay. Rule. Cool. Right up here and it's over. I probably should have paid more attention when I was running executive. These would have all been visible. Cool. Now we do the same spotless apply. And then we'll do a push, and we'll hopefully see why it fails tomorrow. Alexa, what day is it? Yeah, okay, maybe we'll see why it fails tomorrow, and then hopefully we can get that working. We can fix whatever the upstream test failure is. After. Okay, more broken things. Task context utils, my friend. Task context utils is not. Are they doing silly things here? Like silly, I mean. Yeah, there we go. Things they are not supposed to, but this is just part of how life works. In Java, put in these protections and then get around them. And that's part of why, programs like this have to be compiled for so many versions of Spark, and it's because they depend on internal APIs rather than published APIs, so that's part of why it's super painful. We have the same thing in the testing code that I sort of work on. I really should spend some more time on that. Maybe I don't know. Oh, dude. Dude. This is a very well, okay, more things. Yep. Yes. Oof. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. So that is not great. Expand. Okay. Hash. Spark. 35. Hash. Like. Okay. So we're gonna go over to our good friend the Spark repo. Okay, name. Oh, no, not what I wanted. Sorry. And the thing that we're looking for is this. What happened to hash partitioning like? Okay. Huh. Is this funky? Well, GitHub master. Do I have any major reason to? No, no. That's a great question, Crash Laker. But really, this is more just a matter of habit. I went to school with people that used it, and so I started using it. This is weird. What the hell? Because this was added on November 13th. So hash partitioning like, did we move it? You're saying this is not found in Spark 3.5, but really? Org Apache Spark SQL Catalyst Plans Physical. Org Apache Spark SQL Catalyst Plans Physical Partitioning. Create hash partitioning like. And this we're doing. What the fuck? Sorry. Fuck. Wait. But it's there in the Spark 3.4 version, which that's confusing. That's super confusing. Hmm. 3.5 dependency free. Now this is 3.5. These are all 3.5. They're marked as provided though. That part's a little funky monkey. Shims 3.4. Otherwise these are the same. Um, okay. Let's see here. Spark SQL columnar shims 3.5, Delta version 2.4, Delta binary version 24. This looks pretty much the same. Okay. Seeing it. Why the hell? is what? Like what? Um. Hmm. Object. No. Still have the same Scala version. And over here, right, if we look at hash partitioning like, let's go check out git check out spark 3.5. Ooh. Maybe that would be weird if it's in like a branch release. No, latest is 3.5.0. That's weird. Let's go API docs, Scala. I can't spell for shit. That would be super weird, not impossible. Okay. Git tags. Git. We want to see 3.5. Okay, v 3.5.0. Yeah. Check out v 3.5.0. Okay, hash partitioning like it is not in Spark 3.5 yet, but it probably will be. Okay, Jira, Spark. So let's go over here, Spark Jiras, like. Okay, git log minus p master hash partitioning. This was introduced in this version, which was back. Wait, what? No, come on. Spark 3.5.1. Which is not yet released, right? Yeah. Okay, so that's gonna have to wait for Spark 3.5.1. That's a bit annoying. I don't super want to write the code. I'm pretty sure they're voting on it. Voting on 3.5.1 yet? 3.5.1. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so they're voting on it as of like 5 days ago. Okay, so here's the deal. We are not going to put in work to support 3.5.0 because 3.5.1 is coming soon enough, and yeah, screw it. Cool. Git diff, git commit.am, status. Okay. commit -m, port over more 34x, working is 235. Note hash partitioning like did not make it into 350, so code won't compile just yet. I'll update target to 351 once released, and we can continue. Cool. Oh, I'm gonna have to push force with this. Cool. So that's some good progress. I think. Yeah, that's some good progress. I think this is a solid place to stop for the day, in part because like 4:45. And you know, it's been a long day. Let's see here. Uh, yeah. Okay, what else would I want to do? Hmm. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Oh. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's stop. I was just screwing around with looking at some stuff in the Spring framework. Figure out like what their releases are. Just kind of want to play with some Spring stuff, but yeah, looks like okay. Yeah. January, February. Okay, looks like new snapshot release, but whatever. I'll play around with some Spring stuff later. I was gonna try and get the cross building for Spring applications working, but I'm hungry, so I kind of want a snack instead. So I'm gonna go and have a snack. Thanks everyone for joining. Shiva and Crash Taker, thanks for chatting. It's always nice. Yeah. Yeah, I think that about sums it up. Oh, I'll probably be back tomorrow. I'm gonna try and be back tomorrow. We'll see if I succeed. I might not. I'll do my best.